Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve verify account on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve verify account on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click manage storage if you don't want to clear your data or your information about app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.